Welcome to Hucknall. We're here to celebrate over 60 years of commitment, excellence and dedication. Since 1935, Rolls-Royce test has been carried out here at Hucknall. High time then that we celebrate some of the characters that has made this Rolls-Royce premier test establishment. A celebration of Hucknall's heroes.
Yeah, Hucknall's heroes, premier site for development during World War II and producer and designer of the Merlin bird engines that were fitted not only in the Lancaster and the Spitfire, but also in the American P-51s that were based in and around Lincolnshire and other areas in the locality. But it's strange, isn't it, that the Luftwaffe never dropped as much as a grenade or a mortar shell anywhere near Rolls-Royce Hucknall. You know, I would have thought that tactically, yeah, the Luftwaffe would have imagined that to be one of the biggest targets and most important targets there was. Building the engines that were powering the planes that were flattening Berlin to the ground. You would have thought they would have bombed the shit out of it, wouldn't you? But no, they didn't do that.